Hey guys, so I don't typically vlog. I don't have a camera. I really just use my phone as a camera, and usually it's on a nice tripod. Today I wanted to start a vlog because I really wanted to document my journey. I will be moving from New York all the way to Hawaii, and I plan on living there for 1 year. But that really means basically getting rid of everything I know to be comfortable to me and getting rid of like all materialistic things. If you can see any mess in the background, my apartment is an absolute disaster. Clothes and everything are just everywhere, but I wanted to show you kind of what I'm doing to minimalize all the junk in my life. And this is something I've been thinking about for a long time. I already booked the tickets like last week or maybe 2 weeks ago, and right now it's crunch time. So I just wanted to go over like what I'm donating and stuff just to see what I'm getting rid of. And so right now I'm gonna pack my car. So I'll show you here. I have this little Christmas decoration. I don't think it's anything expensive. It's not something that I want to store. So I'm gonna donate this to Goodwill. I have 2 bags, or like 3.5 bags. No, sorry, I can't count. Wow. 2.5 bags of clothing, t-shirts and stuff I just don't wear, haven't touched, old shoes, scarves and stuff, and I do have a pair of boots and a winter pair of boots. And then over here I have gift wrapping materials. I don't know if like I'll be able to donate those anywhere. Some school supplies that I don't know if anyone will take either, but I do have a whole box of books here, and most of these were books I needed for college, and I do hate to get rid of them just because like I love books and I wish I could have a library, but I haven't touched most of these. I haven't read some of them. Yes, Abe Lincoln Vampire Hunter. I did like the movie. I've never read the book. I'm gonna take those to donate. Guys, I still don't know, like, I still have so many clothes, so many shoes, and my room right now is kind of a disaster, but these are still clothes that I'm trying to sort through, and like, I don't know. Very overwhelmed. Oh, I'm also gonna donate this. This is like a chandelier thing. Ugh. So yeah, I'm just gonna go pack everything in the car and we'll be on our way.
2,000 years later.
Hey guys, so I know I'm whispering, obviously. Yesterday was my last day of work at a company I've been working at for 2 years. I did not think that I would have the reaction I did on my last day, but I hard ugly cried all the way from work to home. It's just really sad. I grew very, very close to a few of my coworkers, and I'm Hey guys, I'm in my car right now. I pretty much spent all morning chilling, writing out everything I had to do in my planner. So I think I'm actually gonna go to Best Buy and get a little holder for my phone so that I can vlog my whole trip, which is a good portion of the time gonna be in the car. Then I have to go get my car detail cleaned because it's nasty and I don't want to drive cross country in a disgusting car. I am in the middle of trying to sort all my makeup. If you've watched my channel, maybe you know that I'm a makeup hoarder and I have a shit ton of makeup and I'm not willing to part with most of it. My idea was to put as much makeup in my carry-on as possible because it's very heavy, and if it was in my checked baggage it would cost me an arm and a leg to get to Hawaii. So this is what my carry-on is currently looking like. It's a huge backpack and it's like pretty much half full right now. I wanted to show you what I was actually getting rid of because there are some items I just don't like, and so there's no point in me trying to lug it from here to Hawaii. Hey guys, so I am a little tipsy right now, but I have gone through some of my makeup and wanted to show you what I was keeping and what I was not keeping, what I was throwing away. I think I'm going to try to donate a lot of this to, I forget the name of it. I will link it right here. I'm just going to show you the makeup. Okay, so this thing I am definitely throwing away. It was like a dollar store item. It's not very sturdy. I'm throwing away this e.l.f. body shimmer. It is pretty old. I never use it. Enough said. All of these e.l.f. single shadows, and while they are actually very good quality and I'm quite sad to see them go, they are super old. They were like some of the first makeup items I ever purchased, and that is obviously just not sanitary. I'm also throwing away this little hard candy concealer pencil. I don't have really anything to say about it. Maybelline Color Tattoo in Tough as Taupe is disgusting. This stuff literally looks like poop on my eye. It does not blend at all. I don't think anyone would enjoy it. And the last thing I'm throwing away is this EOS Lip Balm. It is quite a few years old now. I have used more than half of it. It's looking pretty gross. I am definitely going to throw out these lashes by Wet n Wild. I used them once, I think, in a video, and I really didn't like them all that much. They were fun to use, but I'm never going to use them again. This blush, oops. I don't even know if they still sell this. This is a very old blush, and though it's probably still good, I'm gonna throw it away because it is super old. I barely ever used it. Yeah, throwing away these lashes. They were super cheap. They didn't look good on my eyes. I'm never gonna wear them again. So bye. I'm just gonna throw these lashes away because like Halloween is over. I think all of this makeup I am able to donate, which is super cool. So I have two eyeshadows by the Balm. They are really pretty, super pigmented colors. So this is one shade, Caught in the Act Courtney. This is the other one in Shameless Shayna. It's a super pretty bronze color, but I have so many colors like this, I don't need them. So I am going to donate those. Okay, next thing I see are all these Revlon palettes. These are actually pretty good shadows. I loved them when I was first starting out in makeup, but I haven't touched them in a while. They're still good, really good quality, so I'm gonna donate those. Next, I have this Wet n Wild pencil. It is a really good eyeliner. It's like a super bronzy gold color. It's really pretty. I don't have room because it's quite a big pencil, and I know they do accept these, and they just like shave them down and, you know, reuse them. So I'm gonna donate it. Next are these two Clinique palettes. I barely use them and they are pretty colors. This green colored one, which I haven't touched at all. This is like a Maybelline quad. I think I popped one of the colors out. I'm not even gonna bother showing that really. Another Maybelline quad Quad. Actually, this one is pretty old. Yeah, I think I should just throw that one out. e.l.f. Tone Correcting Powder. This one I definitely have to throw away. I've used it quite a bit. I hit pan on it and I just don't use it anymore. It's not that great of a powder. I was obsessed with it at one point, but clearly it doesn't work for me anymore. Next thing I'm donating is this e.l.f. Baked Eyeshadow in Bark. Super pretty bronzy color. I'm not going to use this Physicians Formula bronzer. It just does not go with my skin tone. Looks super orangey, kind of yellowy. It's weird. Hopefully someone could use this. I have this palette by Tokidoki. Really pretty colors. They actually are pretty pigmented. Not like super pigmented, but they do have pigment to them. But I just never use it. And it's really cute and I think someone else would get some use out of it, so donating that. This is Maybelline the Blush Nudes. I hated this palette, like it just didn't work for me. It does work if you want to apply the eyeshadows with your fingers because then they actually show up very pigmented, but it's just not for me. I think someone else could use it better than I, so I am donating that. The Missy Lynn palette by BH Cosmetics. This thing was actually pretty cool. It was especially cool because of these gold shadows here, these like baked gold and rose gold shadows, but all the colors are kind of dark for me. I can't really make a look with it. I never reach for this palette, and therefore I think someone else would use it much better than I. This is an e.l.f. quad in Butternut, and I literally bought this quad because Dolce Candy bought this quad or like was obsessed with it years and years ago. Whatever, I'm not even gonna open it. Like the shadows suck, to be honest, and I will never use it, but maybe someone could use it, you know, you never know. Like it was good for her and she loved it, so maybe someone else will love it. I have a Wet n Wild sparkly palette. Again, does not work for me, not super pigmented, but it does add a lot of glitter, so maybe someone will like it. This is an e.l.f. Shimmer palette. I have not even opened the thing. My friend kind of ripped through the packaging a little bit just to look at it, but she didn't swatch it. Last couple things here. This is an e.l.f. lip balm. Unfortunately, I am allergic to e.l.f. lip products for the most part, so I'm kind of afraid to put them on my lips. But this looks like a really pretty tinted lip balm, and it's brand new, so I will donate that. Okay, obviously everything I'm donating, how many times can I say it? This is the L'Oreal Nude Magique BB powder. I absolutely hate this powder. I just cannot use it. I really hate it. Maybe someone else will like it. I don't know, but I hate it, so I'm getting rid of it. This is a Physicians Formula blush and bronzer duo. Again, I just didn't like this product. This is I don't know what happened to the other one or other two, but this is a single Burt's Bees chapstick and I have not opened it. I actually do like this product, but I just have enough like lip balms and stuff. I don't need another one. And this is a Rimmel bronzer. Oh god, this is so old and disgusting. Like, look at that. Ew. I'm gonna throw this away. No one should be putting this on their face.